Today, I decided to give ThredUp a second chance to redeem themselves, and let me tell you, your girl did some damage. And this box is chock-a-block full of fall plus size pieces that I am really excited to share. So if by chance you are not familiar with ThredUp, they advertise themselves to be an online thrift and consignment store where you can refresh your wardrobe without the waste and burden on the environment. And though I do really appreciate the aspect of that side of the business, I'm over here like, where are the thrift store prices? The thrift store prices. But at the end of the day, it still is an online clothing store that does have a lot to offer to people of all shapes and all sizes, including this girl. So I have a lot to talk about today. I have dresses, I have sweaters, I have t-shirts, I have lots of things that I'm really excited to share, and I would love to know y'all's input about whether or not I should keep some of them or whether they should go back to the ThredUp warehouse abyss. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but if that sounds good to you and you enjoy plus size clothing and plus size fashion hauls on a budget, then please consider liking and subscribing. So for today's video, I spent $255. Damn, that's assault. I spent $255 minus a coupon code that I found on Honey, which I got $125 off. So my grand total today with shipping was $130, which relatively averages out to about $19.50 per item. And every time that I bought something from ThredUp, I always wonder what the hell this sticker means. Does that mean that you need to wash your hands? Because it looks like a hand washing sticker. Am I wrong? The first piece that I'm gonna share with y'all, I am so excited about. This one is so pretty. So this is a dress from the brand Taylor Loft, and this is what it looks like. And this sucker blew my socks off. It just has so much texture to it. It is so nice. It's like super luxurious. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I'm gonna include that detail right here. And I can remember when I was like 18 or 19 years old, I would go into the mall and I would walk into the Taylor stores or like the Taylor Loft stores, and I would touch everything, like the sweaters and the jackets and the t-shirts, because they were so soft and way out of my price range. But I am just hoping and praying and wishing and hoping that this sucker looks good on me and it fits, because I have been dying to have an Taylor piece in my closet for the longest time. So I picked this up in a size 20. It has some smocking right there by the mock neck turtleneck. It also has some really cute short sleeves. I really think that this dress would look great with tights, with boots, with an overcoat, with a trench coat over it for the fall and winter season. And oh, I'm so excited. I love this dress. It is so cute. It's almost like a baby doll style dress. I love the texture. I love how it looks with the knee-high boots. These are from Walmart. I will link them down in the description box below. And this is definitely a keeper. I love the sleeves, and it's just really cute. It doesn't show off the figure very much, but I could always pair it with a belt. And this is a winner. Winner, chicken dinner, yes indeed, yes indeed. The second piece that I picked up from ThredUp is also another Loft piece, and this one is a sweater in this beautiful like heathered gray color. And this is so buttery smooth. It feels practically brand new. I'm really excited to have this. So I picked this one up in a size 20-22, and it is nicely oversized. And then when you go down to the bottom of it, it does have a little bit of a tie right there that I think would look so amazing with jeans or slacks or even like a denim skirt. That would look super cute with like some knee-high boots or some thigh-high boots even, or even some ankle boots. And anytime that I'm at a thrift store or I'm going to a thrift store or even an online thrift store, I like to look at the materials list, because if I'm gonna buy used, I wanna buy used that's gonna last for a really long time. And the materials list for this sweater is 39% acrylic, 31% nylon, 28% wool, and 2% elastane. So I do think that this is gonna last a really long time without peeling, and that's really important. I don't like my wool blends and my sweaters to start peeling, because then it looks really used and kind of like cheap looking, you know what I'm talking about? But I love this color. I can't wait to try it on, and let's see what it looks like. I really do like this sweater from the navel up, but from the navel down, I'm not really feeling it because of the little tie thing, which I thought that I would like and I thought really looked kind of endearing and cute. It's not really my thing because of how long the sweater is, and I think that's like the dividing factor for me. But otherwise, it's really cute, very comfortable. It's gonna be very warm. I'm like sweating right now. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this one. I don't know if it's gonna be worth it. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it enough, but I would love to know y'all's comments on it. down in the comment section down below. So the next item that I picked up is going to be, once again, another sweater, and this is going to be from the brand J.Crew, and if this doesn't tell you that the holidays are coming, I don't know what will. So this is what the sweater looks like, and once again, it has that color story that I am absolutely in love with. So it has like this heathered gray, like mock neck turtleneck right there at the top. It does have a wool blend. I could like definitely feel the wool. And then it's got all these beautiful colors. So it's got the beiges, and it's got the reds, and it's got the whites and the navy blues. So I picked the sweater up in a size XX, and the material is made of 70% nylon and 30% lamb's wool. And I am so excited to try this on, y'all, and see what it looks like with jeans. I have a brand new pair of jeans from Universal Thread that I featured in a video last week from a Target haul that I am in love with, and I think that would pair really cute with this. So let's go try it on. This is a total dad sweater, and I love it. I love it. It's a little scratchy. It's feeling a little intense, especially around the clavicle, but I'm definitely keeping it. This is a keeper. It's so festive, it's so fun, and it's got a lot of personality, which I like. So I like it. So the next thing that I picked up from ThredUp is going to be, once again, another dress, and this one is from the brand Taylor, and it is so freaking pretty, and it's brand new with tags, which I could not be more excited about. I was kind of expecting it to be more of a burnt orange and not so like bright and corally and spring summer colors, but I'm still really excited about it. And this is like a faux wrap dress. This does have a very plunging V-neck neckline, which y'all know if you've been watching my channel, I always love. And I also really like and appreciate the subtle check design. So it has this beautiful bright coral color, but it also has like the white, the pink, and the black subtle check that goes all the way through it. And I would say this is probably like knee length, maybe a little bit longer, but we'll see whenever I try it on. But new with tags, I couldn't be more excited about it. So let's give it a whirl. I really wanted to love this dress so much. And even though it's brand new with tags, I just cannot get past this little sad, limpy looking belt right here. And I do know that I could switch out the belt and all that for another belt, but it also has this like strange seam that just doesn't line up. And it's like right there on the widest part of my hips. And it's just not really my thing. So other than that, it's okay, but it's just not something I would wear a lot. And so for that, I'm going to be returning this bitch. All right, y'all. So now we're on to the next piece. And once again, it's going to be another sweater. And this one is going to be from the brand The Gap. So I picked this up in a size XX, and it is brand new with the tags. And this one is in this gorgeous, like oatmeal, like beautiful kind of a rustic beige color. And I love wearing this color. As you can see, I love my neutrals. And this one is so nice. So it's like a thin sweater or a pullover or even like a tunic. So you can layer this. You can wear a t-shirt under it. You can wear a tank top under it. You can layer it with a really nice jacket, and it would just pull everything together really nicely. And of course, you know your girl loves a nice V-neck. So this is really pretty. It's nice and oversized too, and it feels really soft. So I'm not sure why nobody wore this, because the texture and the color is just so beautiful. And I could just imagine myself wearing it with a beautiful smoky eye, a brown eye, with some jeans, with some like knee-high boots or something like that. Really cute for date night. It's warm, but it's not too warm. So let's go try this baby on because I'm rambling. Perfect fall sweater, y'all. I am loving this. It is just amazing. It's thin enough to wear it right now, but still like thick enough to kind of keep you warm on a chilly day, even though we're not there yet by any stretch of the imagination. But I love how long it is, and it's kind of flowy. You can wear it with just about anything, and it's super comfortable. And if it looks a little familiar, that's because I wore it in my last Walmart fall try-on haul that I posted on last week. And yeah, I'm keeping this one. So now we're on to the second to last piece of the entire day, and this one is going to be a dress, and I'm not really sure how I'm feeling about it. So this is going to be from the brand Voir, V-O-I-R. If you know how to pronounce that, please let me know how to pronounce it in the comment section down below. I would love to know. So I picked this up in a size 18, and this is what it looks like. And it's very simple. It doesn't have a whole lot going on, but it does have like a geometric seam right there at the waistline. So I don't know how I feel about that. It's also sleeveless and it looks a little big on the top. So we're gonna see how this works, but it is a little short as well. I was thinking that it was gonna be a little bit longer because they don't show you what it's gonna look like on a model. It's just like on a mannequin or whatever. So yeah, I just don't know how I feel about it, but it does have a nice hidden zipper in the back side. And I mean, it's like a thick material. It almost feels like a canvasy material. It has a good weight to it. So this dress is made of 88% polyester, 9% rayon, and 3% spandex. And I'm actually surprised about the spandex because it doesn't really have any sort of stretch to it, but we're just gonna have to see what it looks like. Is it a keeper? Am I sending it back? Y'all let me know. I really don't know how I feel about this one. It fits a little weird right here in the top boob area. It's a little bit too tight. I feel like I'm being smushed. And then down here, it's really cute and flowy, kind of like a skater skirt, which I like. And I wanted to kind of play off of that vibe with the shoes. These are from Walmart. If you're interested, I will try to find them and link them in the description box below. But I'm not really sure how I'm feeling this, and I don't know if I would wear it. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know if I should keep it down in the comments below. Okay, so now we're on to the final item, and the final item is gonna be from the brand J.Crew Mercantile. This is in the size XXL, and I don't know how I feel about this one. It feels really cheap, and it feels extremely used, but this is what it looks like nonetheless. So it's actually this really nice, almost a buttery cream colored t-shirt. So it is long sleeved, and it does have like a little tie right there at the bottom that once again, I think would look really cute with jeans. It would look really cute with like a denim skirt or, you know, something of that nature. It just looks like it's been worn and loved a little bit too long, you know what I'm saying? But it does have a little pocket right there in the front as well. And then whenever you turn it around, this is what the back looks like. So it's very plain, very easy going, just a throw on whatever kind of t-shirt. And when I look up close to the fabric, it does almost have like a heathered look to it, which I'm not complaining about because I love a good heathered moment. It just looks a little bit too worn in. It looks a little bit too loved. It's been loved for a really long time. But really and truly, y'all, you know you can never judge a book by its cover. So let's go ahead and try it on, and y'all let me know, is it a keeper or am I sending this bitch back? Let me know. I have to say this is really cute, very comfortable, and something that I would wear all the time, but it's a little bit too worn out for me. And so for that reason, I think it's gonna go back. But I do like the cut, I do like the shape, I do like the fit, and I like the little tie right here. It's perfect for the length. If it wasn't so worn, I would probably keep it, but for that reason, I'm sending it back. Really and truly, y'all, I am kind of impressed by the ThredUp selection this time. Compared to my last haul that I did with ThredUp, this one has done so well. It really has impressed me, mainly because I did the sectioning, like I filtered by what the clothes were made of and by the brands. So when you do that, it really helps to kind of narrow down what you're specifically looking for. And that's something that I didn't do the first time that I tried ThredUp. So I may try them again, but I'm just gonna make a prediction and say that y'all want me to keep 5 out of the 7 pieces. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. Hopefully they work for me, but let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section down below. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy, and I'm gonna be seeing y'all very soon. Bye.